let's bring you up to speed now with what's been happening around the Malema and Ndlozi case. AfriForum dismissing claims from the EFF this morning that the matter is politically and racially motivated. Let's listen in quickly.
Malema and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is whenever they have a disagreement with someone, the go-to response is always no, but that person is a racist. The real racist in this case is not the person who was assaulted, it was the person or the two individuals who are being prosecuted for assaulting someone. So if they want to look for a racist, they need to look in the mirror.
Well, EFF leader Julius Malema and party MP Mbuyiseni Ndlozi's three-day assault trial is underway at the Randburg Magistrate's Court. The matter has just adjourned for a tea break. Let's get an update now from our reporter Mbali Tetane. Mbali, very good morning to you. Just so listening to AfriForum there, this case also has the element of racial connotations, if you like, those claims being made by the EFF. What exactly have they been saying?
Well, Polly, you would know that the EFF have said this on numerous occasions, especially before this matter sat down here at the Randburg Magistrate's Court, and they were saying that this is just another political case, and it is, of course, racially motivated. But just to talk about the issues of actually what happened inside court here today, Polly, you would know that the state now has called it a second witness to the stand, and of course this is Dion, and he was an employee at the Fourways Park Memorial Service where Winnie Madikizela Mandela was being laid to rest in April in 2018. And basically his evidence to the court is, just talking about the operations of that Memorial Park Service, and also talking about where the cameras were situated, because you'd remember that incident or that scuffle that broke out on the day was captured on CCTV cameras. And of course, he has now taken the court through that specific footage, and of course just talking about how he gave those videos to 3 different police officers who came forward to come and ask for that footage. He also says that he also kept a flash drive of the footage for himself personally, and he was also questioned, Koli, as to, when he made the 3 statements to the police officers, why is it that he never mentioned that he made 1 flash drive for himself and he kept that footage to himself. And this is something that he was questioned by just before we cut through the tea break. So what is basically happening right now is that the state and the defense is analyzing the footage from the day and actually where it landed up and how it also landed up in the hands of the media and the likes of AfriForum.
The lawyer for Ndlozi and Malema, Mbali, is focusing his attention in part to the different versions of the copy of the footage that was given, one to Colonel Bronkhorst and another to Colonel Sienago. Where is he driving at with this line of questioning?
Well, Koli, the issue here is that there is one longer version which was given to one police officer, and there's also a shorter version which was given to another police officer. And basically, he also questioned as to when you gave these 3 police officers the footage from that day, was that footage placed in an evidence bag that police would obtain once evidence is obtained from that day for this common assault matter? And he basically acceded in saying that, well, he didn't sign off of any footage which he gave and handed over to police. So he's being really grilled and questioned when it comes to the issue of what were the steps taken when he gave the footage to the 3 different police officers, and also the issue of the length of those 3 footage which he gave to those police officers who were, of course, investigating the matter. But of course, you saw there, Dion got a bit agitated when he was questioned about these 3 footage that he did give to police officers, and when he was also questioned as to why he didn't deem it important to note in his statements to the police as to that he had an extra copy, which he made other extra copies of. Why he didn't share this information with police on his statement? Well, he simply said that at the time he didn't think that it was important to reveal that information to police.
Bali Chetani live for us at the Randburg Magistrates Court. Thank you very much for that update. We'll take you back to that court as soon as proceedings get underway.